Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wanted to boost your WordPress site with live social media feeds, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Vimeo, or YouTube, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to display these feeds seamlessly using Elementor, turbocharging your site with fresh, engaging content your visitors will love. Let's dive right in and talk about the smartest method to make this happen in 2026. Using dedicated plugins, specifically those that work hand-in-hand with Elementor. Now you might be thinking, can't I just embed each feed manually or fiddle with different embed codes? Sure. That's possible. But plugins have come a long way. They're way more efficient and reliable, making sure your feeds update automatically and look way better, all while saving you tons of time. So first things first, we need to choose the right plugin. What I strongly recommend is WP Social Ninja. It's available in both free and pro versions, and the great thing is, even the free version can pull in feeds from all major platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Vimeo, and YouTube. The best part, for basic setup, you aren't forced to wrangle complicated API keys. Many plugins demand tricky API or developer credentials just to show a simple feed. But Social Ninja simplifies things so you can keep your focus on your website. Alright, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and then Add New. In the search box, type WP Social Ninja and you should see it pop up right away. Go ahead and click Install and then hit Activate. This part only takes a moment. If you're thinking, what if I'm new to installing plugins? Worry. As long as you're logged in as an admin, this is really straightforward. Once Social Ninja is installed, you'll find its sidebar menu in your WordPress dashboard. Click into Social Ninja and you'll see options for each platform: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Vimeo, and YouTube. For each feed, you simply follow the plugin's prompts. For popular platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you might need to log in once to give permission. That's standard. And WP Social Ninja leads you through it step by step with simple buttons. For Vimeo and YouTube, it's even easier. Often, just entering your channel or playlist URL will do the trick. Now here's an important point: when you connect your accounts, the plugin will automatically fetch posts, videos, or tweets as you specify. You can filter results, choose layouts, and even select exactly what you want displayed. Say you have a business Instagram and want only posts tagged behind the scenes. Or maybe you want your YouTube channel to show your latest tutorials. Just use the plugin's built-in filter and display options. This personalizes your site so viewers see what matters most. Once you've set up your feeds, let's add them to an Elementor-powered page. Edit any page or create a new one with Elementor. In the Widgets panel, search for Social Ninja. You'll find widgets for each feed type. Drag the one you want right into your page layout and watch your feed appear instantly. You can style it, adjust spacing, and even play around with colors or fonts, all using Elementor's familiar controls. If you prefer using shortcodes for even more flexibility, Social Ninja generates those too. Paste them anywhere Elementor allows. Before wrapping up, remember, these feeds update automatically, keeping your site fresh without you lifting a finger. If something doesn't look perfect right away, use the display settings. You can toggle everything from profile pictures to grid layouts. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always preview and adjust before publishing. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you're now showing live, dynamic social media feeds on your Elementor site, making your WordPress pages way more engaging and interactive. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or plugin recommendations in the comments below. And if you want more straightforward, future-proof WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.